Well, it's important for us to be part of the U.S. commercial pavilion because it's a great energetic pavilion, and we want to be associated with a U.S. brand, being a U.S.-based company. You know, being a U.S. brand is synonymous with quality, transparency, well-priced, and we offer full services for the life cycle of that product because we guarantee our product. So that's the reason we're part of it. So our technology is there around water metering, right? So what we do is manufactured in South Africa. It's a high quality product. We've been around for over 60 years in South Africa, so we fully understand the local environment. Our products are built for the African environment. Many products, they fail or they get worse within the first month. The problem with that is when you don't measure properly, you can't manage properly. And the water meter is the first link in measuring accurately and being able to bill and send the right invoices to clients. So high quality product made locally, been around for a long time. We get this market, we understand it. It's unique in that space. Africa is the last frontier, right? If you look at one of the challenges of African cities, it's a challenge and an opportunity. It's the rate of urbanization. Many people are flocking to cities. As they flock to cities, it places more, burdens on the infrastructure requirements, whether it be water or electricity. In the water space, our water meters allow a utility to accurately measure how much water is being used, to bill it properly, and therefore to maintain and provide a good service over that life cycle. So for us, we see the opportunity across Africa as more and more cities grapple with providing good, sustainable, low-cost and high-quality services to the citizens of that city. So the US and the UK is creating a lot of opportunities for Africa. Honeywell is one of the largest industrial companies and software-based companies in the US. And a lot of the tech that we are learning about from the space industry, from the autonomous industry, we are applying in Africa. Africa doesn't have to make those same mistakes that Europe and the US has made. So what we're doing, by way of example, there's a lot of data analytics happening. So we extract the data from the water meters, and it allows the utility to be able to accurately understand where their water meters are going. In addition, Honeywell has technology which is completely wearable, enabling the operator to be able to be trained quicker. We can also see what the operator sees because they wear wearable technology, hear what they hear. We can speak to the operator from thousands of kilometers away, and so we can provide that assistance to people to be more effective at their jobs. And that is the one way that technology is enabling utilities and African utilities to rapidly upskill their people and provide superior service. So yes, the trends in the US and the trends in Europe, we're able to gain the best system and apply it in Africa, so we didn't have to make the mistakes that other economies have made. It's got to work for Africa in a way that preserves jobs, drives industrialization and creates prosperity, and meets the requirements of the Paris Protocol. So all of those things, not an or, it's an and. So the message I want to share is a message of collaboration. Private sector, government coming together to find solutions for our people. If you look around the room, lots of good partners, good technologies, but the trick is to bring them together, focusing on a common problem to find those solutions and make life better for people in South Africa. So collaboration, that's the key word.